Hi, my name is Kari Herzog, and I'm the product architect here at FieldSync. What I'd like to go over in this video is our brand new file management module. We've added this module to our FieldSync solution to further expand the capabilities that you can have within FieldSync. Now you have the ability to upload, view, and assign files to be viewed by your users on either the web or the mobile device. Not only does this improve the usability and the user experience of the solution, but it gives your employees easy access to critical company files that allow them to do their jobs better in the field. So let's take a look at the file management module. Now we've added a new icon to the dashboard that you'll see up here, so I'll go ahead and click that. I am currently logged in as a supervisor user, so that means I have the ability to upload and assign new files. Here you can see a list of all of the files that have been uploaded for my company at this point. I have the ability to view the file by selecting View, which downloads the file and allows me to view it. I can also go and assign the file. So let's say, for example, that I have this driver's license and it's specific to my customer of Alice Adams. I can come in here and assign the document specifically to Alice Adams. Now this could be the same case with a customer contract or insurance information. Anything that is specific to the entity that you are tracking information about, you can come in here and assign specific documents to specific customers. What this allows for is automatic visibility to these files by all of the users that have been assigned to the customer. Let's say, for example, you have several customers within a specific region, and each of those customers have documents. Now you can go in and assign your users to that entire region, and that means since they are assigned to the customers within that region, they'll automatically have visibility to those documents. So here you can see for that driver's license, it's assigned specifically to Alice Adams. I can also upload documents that I want for a specific user. So let's say that this file called customer contract is a employment contract. I can come in here to users and assign it specifically to the user that it applies to. And what that means is only that user outside of the supervisor users will have visibility to that document. Now in order to upload a new file, you simply select the upload button and then browse to the file that you'd like to upload. So I'm going to select this floor plan PDF. Here you can see it's been added to my list of files. Now as of right now, I'm the only user since I added it that has visibility to it. So I'm going to go ahead and go in and also choose Jane Doe because Jane reports to me and I want her to have visibility to that document. Now when I come into the user management, you can see I have a new link here for files. So when I choose files, I can see all of the files that have been assigned specifically to that user. And I can also see the files that are available that have not been assigned, and I can complete that assignment there if I want to. Furthermore, within the customers module, you have the ability to assign files specifically to a customer. So remember we talked about the driver's license that was assigned to Alice Adams. If we come in here to files, you'll see that driver's license file as well as the business contract. Now if I come into Dave Doe, he doesn't have any assigned files. So let's go ahead and assign this health insurance claim to Dave as well. Now when I come back to my file manager and I go to customers, you'll see Dave Doe is listed. So you really have the ability to manage the files and the visibility to those files through the file manager, through user management, and also through customer management. So now that we've added some files and we've done some assigning, I can also come in here and filter my files by user or by customer. So if I want to see all of the files assigned specifically to Jane Doe, now I can see those 3 files that we assigned to her. Similarly, if I choose Molly Manager, I can see the 4 files. Now I can clear that filter and I can also look and see which files have been assigned to Dave Doe, and we know that there's just the health insurance claim form. Now when I log out as the supervisor and I'll log back in as Jane Doe, when I go to my file manager, I will only see those 3 files that were assigned to me. And you can also see that there's no upload button. Now when I come to my customer drop down, I only have visibility to the customers that I've been assigned to. And if I choose Alice, This will show me the files that have been assigned specifically to Alice. So now let's take a quick look at the mobile application. So here you can see I'm connected to my iPad mini and I've logged in as Molly Manager. Now within the mobile application you can access files in a couple of different ways as well. So first of all, I'm going to go into the Files section. Now as Molly Manager, you can remember that I had 4 files that were assigned specifically to me, and I can see those 4 files here. Now if I want to go in and see the file specific to a customer, I can choose the Customers folder, see a list of all of the customers that are assigned to me, select a customer, and now I can see those files that are assigned specifically to one of those customers. So let's take a look at this business contract. Now when it comes to file management on the mobile application, we don't have any constraints related to the types of files that we support. As long as you have a viewer that is installed on your device that allows you to view those types of files. So in order to view PDFs, you need to have a PDF viewer application like Adobe Reader installed. In order to view doc files, such as this one, you can install Microsoft Word for iPad. So to open up a file, you choose the open icon and this will present to you all of the options that you have for that specific file type. So since this is an MS Word doc file, I can either open it in Word or in Adobe. So I'll choose Word. It will launch the Word application and open up the file. Now when I'm done with the document, I can simply close out of Word and navigate back into FieldSync. Now keep in mind that you are leaving the FieldSync system to view these documents. So any visibility constraints or roles that we have in place within FieldSync do not necessarily apply on the mobile device. Now if we wanted to take a look at a PDF, let's come back. Here's our health insurance claim. Choose Share. Again, you see some different options. Open it in Adobe Reader. And you have the ability to view the file, and depending on the viewer and the settings that you have implemented, you can do different things. So for example, if I wanted to add notations to the document, then I could do that. Currently, we do not have the ability to edit documents and upload them back into FieldSync, but you do have the ability to download the document and make changes to it. It would just be stored locally on your device. Now I showed you how to access files through the files, but similar to the web, you also have the ability to navigate to files through your Customers module. So you choose Customers, select the customer, and now we've added a files icon to the customer menu that allows you to go in and see the specific files for that customer. So thinking about some of the use cases that you might have, you may want to upload floor plans for a specific location. You may want to upload repair manuals for certain pieces of equipment or health insurance information for a patient. Whatever those documents are that you may need to access related to a customer or a project or a patient or a location, any of those entities, you can now utilize FieldSync to have those documents ready when you need them wherever you are. If you have any questions about the file management module or anything else related to FieldSync, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to give you a demo, answer your questions, and see how FieldSync can help you. Thank you.